Welcome to another episode of Vegetables of India. Today we are at Bobby and Sharada's house. They have a lovely vegetable garden, and I've come to the backyard and they have given me permission to showcase their vegetable garden for you today. So let's look at Bobby and Sharada's vegetable garden, where they have a lot of bottle gourd and cucumber, a type of Indian vegetable that is called dosakai. So it is something that they have started this year, and I think they have done an amazing job, and we will talk to Sharda in a little while, but let's look at the garden first. This is a beautiful garden. They have done it with all the pipes and all the things. Most of us do it ourselves. You see, there's a lot of vegetables. They have nicely put a stonework over here. So we'll go look at each and every plant. They have a lot of okra over here, and most of these are Indian vegetables. So we will go into detail inside one by one. See, she has some tomatoes over here, and as I said, there's a lot of dosakai. And what they have done is they've used this nice mesh that supports all the plants, and it's very easy to grow on top. Here we have the beans, which we call in India as chikudukai, the Indian chikudukai, and she has them a lot of flowers over here, so I'm sure they're going to come soon. And this is the dosakai plant. We will go inside. There is access to walk. And this is the bottle gourd. For a small family of 3, this is a lot of vegetables that they have, and they are growing and they're sharing with friends and families. Interesting that we have built this concept of making vegetables at home. See the okra over here, and she is harvesting some of these for today. So it's like come to your yard and cut them and grow them and cook them is what we have. The concept is that. And here is some bitter gourd, and okra plants in the side, some chilies, very nicely done, I should say, trellis. So let's go inside now. See some snake gourd up here, and some bottle gourd, and this is some lofa called birakai. Most of these vegetables are found in India, not here, but we do get them here too. So they have made this nice access, and when you switch on, they have this sprinkler system also over here, so it automatically waters the plant, individual plant. So it is easy and for watering, so they don't have to come out and water every day during the heat. If you look at this is such a beautiful vegetable garden on this side. It's just showing kids that growing your food, where the food comes from, and basically how and where. Wonderful garden. She has some leafy vegetable also over here, bachalaku, which is called Malabar spinach. And this is that plant, the beans plants. So if you notice, this is just one plant which is giving her so many cucumbers. I was impressed by this whole trellis. That's why I wanted to do an episode so you as viewers can see how easy it is to put it. And the watering system also is like with one they have it like a sprinkler that goes into each and every side of it. Very interesting usage of space, and beautifully done. No tree is colliding with the other plant. Excellent. They do have some other plants like fruit plants. They just moved into this house, so it's relatively new trellis. That's what I would say. So have this nice Sitafal plant which has a fruit already bared, and they have jasmines over here. Wow, the Sitafal plant is amazing. This is called custard apple, and it's already started bearing fruit. So it's a very interesting one. There are a couple of flowers also over here. This is a rare plant, which is a tough one. And she has tulsi plants, hibiscus plants, and moringa, which is very famous. And drumstick basically is called moringa. And she also has some roses and guava plants, and also pomegranate plant. It's a small yard and a nice curry leaf plant over here, but as you notice, she has used her space so wisely, and her husband and her son try to do regularly is what she says. It's primarily their interest. Small sapling of mango also is coming up. Parsimonium tree. You see, this is already bearing fruit over here. So these are hybrid plants, looks like, which have fruit fast, and a nice floral gardenia. Harvested today some birakai and some cucumber up here. If you see, we've harvested the dosakai and one of the suryakais and a ton of bendakai, okra, and some of the beans. So it's interesting how we are able to harvest so much of vegetables from the yards of Dallas, Texas, and it is a very interesting hobby, I should say, growing vegetables. So Bobby and Sharda have done a wonderful job. They not only are using these vegetables, they're also sharing them with the community. And during these COVID times, not only that, these vegetables bring us so close to India. Thank you for watching us, and do like us and subscribe. And until another episode of Vegetables of India, thank you so much.